and you see directly, and just right away it's being popped. Hello and welcome back to yet another video about cross-site scripting. It's the one called Stored this time. If you just watched my prior video about cross-site scripting, we talked about reflected. This one is basically the same. Now the difference between reflected and stored is that reflected commonly require you to send a link to a victim, minified of course through, for example, a phishing email on SMS, something like that. And the stored cross-site scripting is stored directly on the server. So you write something like hello, or it's a slow first message, and then you take our old JavaScript from before. Let me just copy paste that right there, and you just say hello from me, and you put in this JavaScript, and you sign the guest book. Now what you see here is that this is being inputted just like that, and that was because I forgot to put something there. So let me just say second message and just the word hello, and you see directly, and just right away it's being popped up. Now the problem is when I go back to the stored, it's gonna pop up again. This is because I saved this JavaScript on the server. It's saved on the database. So every time I visit this guest book or whatever this is, I get that JavaScript called directly from the database, and boom, I'm a victim. I cannot even do anything about it. It's directed towards anyone visiting. It's even more bad because now we have a broader audience. Compared to the one with the phishing email, you can direct a typical script to a particular user, doing something specialized for that user, but only one user. In this particular case, you can write a big script and basically hit everyone. So this is even worse. Now it's really easy just to mitigate your way out of it. You can see the source code here, for example, that it's just like they just do a, let me see, the select statement is somewhere here. It's a lot of PHP stuff here. Maybe they did not write the SQL statement here. Maybe that's not what I see. Oh, there we have it. Insert into. Do I see a select statement somewhere? Well, I guess somewhere. Anyways, this code here doesn't have any mitigation, anything at all. Now, I highly suggest, and you probably already know it, that you read the links below, where they talk about cross-site scripting and different kind of things. Cross-site scripting stored, really bad. You just write the script. There's no input validation, no input sanitization or filter or anything to check whether this is a correct legal input. So basically you can plug and play your own JavaScript code to the server, and everyone else visiting that website that's being served by the server will be a victim to your JavaScript. Really hope you learned what stored cross-site scripting is. If you have any questions, just leave them below. I will get back to you as fast as I can. Have a nice day.